second part of the trial dose white coding challenge. So as my teammate has already done the front end part, and as you can see in the UI, it's pretty amazing. I considered this is fully white coded using Bolt. I will be using Cursor for the white coding of contracts, and I've added the Cairo Coder NCP in my Cursor previously, and I've also set up my contract folder beforehand. So this is the prompt that we will be using. Uh, yeah, and also I'll just give a small this I'll just give a brief small code so that I'll just use this syntax, a little bit more context of what I'm expecting, because I'm not really like. So let's see how it goes giving Cairo version 2 code. Well, this is a very basic contract. So the idea is from the front end, user will deposit the money and bet on the dice rolling, and they will bet on any of the value from 1 to 6, and from 1 to 6, contract will give a generated number and can give to the front end. So such a way, like quite basic. For this, I have told her to use Pragma VRF, and I've already given the addresses for it. Payout 5x for win. Okay, I'll just make changes after the contract. Let's see how it goes. Oh, well, quite nice. Okay. A few errors are coming. Fix and chat. I get it. They are doing multiplying 5 into this, but this is not how it goes. Let's see how this will do. Yes. I don't know what they're trying to do. A few more errors are coming. 1 second. Identifier is not on. Let's not use it. I'll just change it to star 5. Not even 5, like make it 2x. Okay. Now let's compile our code. CD contract, dice roll, scar build. I'm not using it. Let's not use it. Scar build. Okay. First, drop sedated partially killed. In progress, player 1, player lost. Play, get game. Player guess, roll, bet, use it, consequence, Starknet, okay. Implications. The constructor, what are they taking? Okay, Starknet connection is already here. And update my deploy.ts to deploy my new contract. Let's try the test as well. Checking the allowance, transfer from, okay, got it. And next is the payout. Okay, he's generating a sort of random number rather than using the VRF. Got it. Taking quite a lot of time. However, I can just go and npm run. Okay, before that we have to generate the ABI for it. ABI is generated, npm run deploy let's see, it'll deploy the contract. And the next part is contract. I'll just give the reference front end using Starknet and cartridge. First, make a wallet connect button. I'll provide the Starknet provider. Follow similar similar pattern. Then also, what next? Integration hook file. So follow same to multi-call my functions. So contract is deployed. I'll just give a reference. Yep, we don't need it, but and the last one is a hook game. And now going to go. Let's see how it goes. Like I've already given the reference file to follow so that less error will be there. I'm really hoping that it can get into one go. So let's see. First, the wallet connect button. Next is the Starknet provider. Next. No, but modify according to dice roll contract. Meanwhile, I'll just set up the package JSON. What I need is a Starknet kit and cartridge controller Starknet. Axios socket not. Okay. Anything installed. Start. Dice roll. Dice roll. Game. Update this to my dice roll and also API is this. Meanwhile, there are the other errors. Nice. Provider. NPM install. plus the dice. It'll need the address from okay. Now how this was used? Let's see. Okay. Take reference from this and integrate. Use dice roll in the dice roll game. Oh, I took a break. I have like the whatever code contract was working fine. I just checked. Also, I have completed the integration as well. So the integration was half done given by the gyrocoder. There were a few bugs which I have solved. So BGUI that hover BGUI that. So I've added the world connection and yeah, here it is. So as you can see on the console, I just go to the our main integration file, that is the use dice roll. The main part is to catch this event. So first, let's console the event and also the game ID. First, connect the wallet. I'll just use the Argent. Now predict the value. So $5 means 5 star. 3, I'll just also console the values so that I can will get not the account, but okay. Play dice roll. As you can see, it is here. Bet and pay bet amount. And dice roll. Bet amount. Set bet amount as okay. So I guess we have to multiply it until dividing. Begin. Begin. Okay. Now this is bet and pay. Okay, let's just start. So 3 start I will be giving. I already have 72 stock. 3 start. I am approving 3 start and play. It's already done. Data as you can see in the array. So first value is what are the values that will be emitted? The event. It would be game ID, player, guess, roll, bet, outcome. Yeah, I'm not really sure if it is catching the right values. Game ID, player, guess, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, and there should be 7. Okay, so the 7 are there. Game ID is 1, player is my caller. Okay, guess, I have guessed 2. Rolled is this much. Bet is this much. I don't know how did they outcome is game outcome is 0. That is game outcome is 2. That is 1 0 1 2. So player has lost. Last one is player has lost. So we use outcome. How this 3 star and this is 5. 3 star play. Okay, so the game ID is 2, that's correct. Yes, I have guessed 5, yes, that's correct. Outcome is 0. Which is not right. Outcome is 0 is not correct. Because it's saying the game is already in progress, which is not what I want. So let's give Cairo order to debug it. Yes, 1 2 0 2 5 is the guess, 2 is actual rolled, then bet, and then last one is 6th one is the extra. Okay, 2 star has already gone. Okay, okay, okay. No, I lost again. Okay, sorry. Okay, still I lost again. I'll never win it. Okay, fine, whatever. So yeah, that is it. This was we made like totally whiteboarded this whole project from front end to contracts. I have not used my single brain except for the education part in the front end. There were a few bugs that were coming from Cairo coder, but that seems okay because the main part was the contract, and the whole contract was written by Cairo in just few seconds. Okay, not few seconds, but few minutes. And I didn't even have to like. There were only fun place where I have to make changes on my own, but most of the contract was right. Even he changed the reply script, but well, that was not a big process also. But yeah, that is it. For thank you for watching this second part as well. We'll do much more sessions, whiteboarding sessions like this. Call for more.